You can tell the AI who it is. Example, you are a historian, explain the Berlin Conference in simple terms. That one line changes the tone, style, and depth of the answer. It is called role prompting, and it is the one of the most powerful ways to guide AI. I cover role prompting and much more in Human V4. First 100 readers get 50% off. Buy your book now if interested. This one is a game changer. Chain of thought prompting. Add one line like let's think step by step. Suddenly the AI solves logic problems, math and multi-step tasks way more reliable. You are not making it smarter, you are scaffolding its reasoning. That's the art of prompting. For the full playbook, check out Human V4, half price for the first 100. Few shot prompting means showing AI a few examples before asking it to continue. The model learns the patterns instantly. It's powerful, but you need to curate the examples very carefully. I explain how in Human V4, 50% off for the first 100 readers. Zero shot prompting is the simplest. You ask the AI to do something with no examples, like summarize this article in one sentence. So it works well for simple tasks, but it fails with complex ones. Want to know when to use the zero shot versus more advanced techniques and methods? That's inside Human V4. First 100 copies, 50% off. Buy your book now. When ChatGPT answers you, it only sees three things: your prompt, hidden system instructions, and its memory window. That's it. If your prompt is vague, your answer will be also vague. If your prompt is precise, the answer will be sharp. Prompts are the control panel for AI. That's why good prompting isn't optional. It's a new literacy. I break down all these techniques in Human V4. So first 100 readers 50% off. Buy your copy now. Prompt engineering isn't about tricking AI. It's about speaking its language. Large language models don't understand. They predict patterns. The way you phrase your input shapes how well they stimulate reasoning. Prompts aren't just questions. They are the scaffolds for machine's behavior. And Human V4, I show you exactly how to design prompts that work. So first 100 copies 50% off. Link below. If you are just curious and love connecting the big ideas, you don't need a starting point. This book is modular. Start anywhere, jump between philosophy, technical clarity and ethics. Remix it, revise it and explore the book. Human V4 was written for minds like yours and the first 100 readers get it for 50% off. Want to actually get better at prompting? Skip ahead to the prompt engineering quick start. So you will learn the practical frameworks to use prompts for writing, coding and research. And then explore the plain 2 to master the technical foundations. With this, prompting becomes a true skill set, not trial and error. So all of this is inside this book named Human V4. First 100 readers get it at 50% off. Buy your book now. If you are a researcher, policymaker or educator, you don't need hype, you need clarity. So start with plane 3, the myth plane. So that's where we debunk misconceptions, reveal biases and face the real ethical challenges. Then you go to plane 4, the power plane, to see how AI shifts jobs, governance and society. My book Human V4 gives you the big picture, so 50% off for the first 100 readers.